Hello, dear students. This is the first lecture for the new chapter, that is reproductive health. And there are a few pages, first few pages are there, which you must study because most of the time MCQs are asked from here. You know, the definition given by the World Health Organization for reproductive health, it refers to a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being in all matters related to reproduction. India was the first country, among the first countries to initiate national level programs to achieve reproductive health as a goal, as a social goal. So number one is family planning, started in India in 1951. Family planning programs. These programs were periodically evaluated and they were improved. At present, they operate as RCH. RCH is Reproductive and Child Healthcare Programs. So remember this full form, Reproductive and Child Healthcare Programs, RCH. And what are the objectives? Awareness, medical facilities, and social responsibilities, or you can say healthy society. Then first one is creating awareness. And now, what is the role of awareness? It is the first goal. Awareness is a key strategy for achieving reproductive health. Government and NGOs use like print media, audiovisual media, then parents, teachers, relatives, and friends play a crucial role in this particular thing. Then sex education in schools is important to remove myths, prevent misconceptions, promote safe sex. All these things are important in schools and like for teachers, parents, and friends and relatives. Now, key topics that are being covered in this are reproductive organs, adolescence and hormonal change, safe and hygienic sexual practices, STDs, and AIDS, etc. Now, after this, we have responsible parenthood, education for responsible parenthood. Educating people, especially fertile couples, marriageable age groups about birth control methods, and then care of pregnant women, postnatal care, importance of breastfeeding, gender equality. These are all the things that come under this RSC program. This helps in small family norm and socially responsible families. Now, population control and social issues, awareness about population explosion, sex abuse, sex-related crimes, encourages people to take preventive steps. It helps build a healthy society. Then medical facilities, medical support and infrastructure. Successful implementation requires strong infrastructure, professional expertise, medical facilities provided for pregnancy and delivery, STDs, menstrual disorders, infertility, abortions, and contraceptions. This all comes under this RCH program. The use of media for awareness, parents and teachers are to be educated. Then sex education should be given in the schools and colleges. Then what are the legal preventive measures and advanced techniques? Statutory ban on amniocentesis for sex determination. This is the first thing. And this also comes under the RCH. It prevents female foeticide. Amniocentesis is used only for like detecting genetic disorders like you have, let us say, Down syndrome, hemophilia, sickle cell anemia. These are all genetic disorders. MACU child immunization programs are to be carried out under this particular program, RCH program. Research and Indian contribution in this particular program. Continuous research is encouraged. Then there is one actually drug which was developed by CDRI. This institute is in Lucknow, CDRI. And one drug is Saheli. It's a non-steroidal oral contraceptive. It's an oral contraceptive, but it is non-steroidal. Please remember it. This has been asked many times. Then indicators of improved reproductive health. Reduced maternal and infant mortality rates, then increased medically assisted deliveries, then better detection and cure of STDs, increase in small families, improved healthcare access. So these are all the things which come under these problems and strategies which are actually given in your textbook. So this is very, very important as far as the first few pages of your textbook are concerned. Now, you know, one of the terms, one of the techniques mentioned over here is amniocentesis. Amniocentesis is sometimes it comes as a 2 marks question, but you should know what is under this amniocentesis. I told you in amniocentesis we used to do prenatal diagnosis. What was the procedure? And a needle was inserted through the abdominal wall, through ultrasound guidance, amniotic fluid was withdrawn, and fetal cells were analyzed. What was the purpose of it? The purpose was detect genetic disorders, chromosomal abnormalities, fetal health assessment. Then it was misused, used earlier for sex determination. It led to the female feticide. Sex determination is illegal. Then there was one of the acts that was passed in India, and it was considered as a punishable offense. Then how do you do it? What is there in the amniotic fluid? There are fetal cells, there are certain chemicals. These fetal cells, they are used for karyotyping, that is chromosomal analysis, then data analysis, gene defects, to analyze gene defects, and chemicals which are taken, they tell us about lung maturity, metabolic disorders, and then what are the risks and advantages of this amniocentesis? Advantages are early diagnosis can be done, better prenatal care can be taken, then informed decisions can be taken. The risk is slight, the risk of miscarriage is there, but infection is also there, but it is very rare. So this is all about first few pages of your textbook. I have covered all the pages here, including your amniocentesis procedure. So if it comes as a 2 marks question, you can easily write about it. I suggest you to watch this video 2-3 times so that you can understand first few pages from this chapter. So it will be easier for you to understand whole chapter. Thank you very much.